I'm showing a demonstration of Wind River's Helix Virtualization Platform. This product enables a modern, safe, and secure embedded system to run several partitions on one multi-core platform. So for example, if you want to consolidate several pieces of hardware together into one, but you need to make sure the multiple pieces don't unexpectedly interfere with each other. So I'm going to show why Helix Virtualization Platform enables mixed criticality systems in a multi-OS design. You're looking at a dashboard, and you're looking at 3 of the cores. So you see core 1, core 2, and core 3. Each of the dials represent a partition on that core. So core 1 has a VxWorks partition and a Linux partition sharing that core. Core 2 is running 2 VxWorks partitions, and core 3 is running a Wind River Linux partition. So here's where our certifiable Type 1 hypervisor enables mixed criticality systems. So you see the VxWorks partition and the Linux partition sharing a core on core 1. I have a button on this page that is going to let me turn on the load on this Linux partition. And now the Linux partition is running a CPU-intensive process. It's trying to use up all the CPU time it can, trying to hog all of the time. But you see how the other partitions remain uninterrupted. You can see from their sine waves in the dials. The partitions running on the other cores are uninterrupted, but even the VxWorks partition that's sharing the same core as the Linux partition is not affected and can continue to run its critical applications. And memory on the other partitions are not affected. CPU utilization on the other partitions are not affected. The Helix Virtualization Platform health monitoring. This feature also ensures that a fault happening on one partition is confined to that partition. Or if desired, the fault can be propagated up to a system level. So let me turn on this VxWorks partition's load, and I've defined that when a VxWorks partition has a numerical fault, so like if it divides by 0 or performs a divide by 0, and when that fault happens, it should reset the VM and contain the fault so that the fault is in the partition and it doesn't affect the other partitions. So I'll inject the error now and inject this error. And now you see that this VM restarts, it reboots, and now it's boot up, and it goes back to its reset state, and all the other VMs remain unaffected. That's the demonstration for a Helix Virtualization Platform. We're proud at Wind River to be providing extensive expertise in safe, secure, and reliable and certified embedded systems. I invite you to come learn more about this platform at our Wind River website. Thank you.